So now get ready. Give me 10 minutes to give you the most powerful experience that you desire to have. You will see yourself in the deepest and deepest of alignment. Are you all ready for it? Yes or yes? Let's get ready. Let's visualize. Please sit comfortably. Close your eyes and follow my voice. I'll be playing some background music as well. And we are going to have a deeper experience. Yes or yes? Yes? Let me connect the music. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. And relax yourself. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. Once again. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel a positive energy is flowing on your body. Feel a positive energy is flowing from the top of your body, starting from top of your head, flowing on your face. As this positive energy is flowing on your face, on your body, your whole body is getting relaxed, releasing all kind of anger, resentment, stress, anxiety, negativity, resistances. You are letting go of anything and everything that is unwanted and putting you in the state of peace and positivity. Relax and let go. Let this energy flow on your face, flowing on your neck, flowing on your shoulders, flowing on your upper back, flowing on your middle back, flowing on your lower back, on your chest, on your lungs, heart, stomach, thighs, knees, calf muscles, ankle, feet. Your whole body is covered with this divine healing light. Your whole body is covered with this divine healing light. And right this point, you are releasing all the resistances, all anger, doubt, fear, negativities. And you are absolutely in the state of peace and positivity. Peace and positivity. Peace and positivity. You are absolutely peaceful and positive now. You are absolutely peaceful and positive now. Now focus your attention on your heart and tell yourself, I am the divine creation of God. I am the magical creation of the universe. I deserve all the success, happiness, abundance, prosperity, love, joy, good relationship, good health, and all the good things of life. The universe is supporting me. God is guiding me. I am guided by the best mentor. I am guided by the best energy. I am achieving all my dreams. Now imagine yourself living a beautiful life, looking yourself in the mirror, being perfectly healthy, fit, energized, being absolutely healthy and fit, perfectly healthy and fit, looking happy and calm. You are appreciating yourself. You are telling yourself, I love you. I appreciate you. You are the best. I love you. I appreciate you, and you are the best. At this point, look at your body. If you were healing any part of the body, your body is completely healed. If you desire to lose weight or gain weight or have any kind of transformation in your body, at this point, you can see yourself that transformation is done. You are perfectly healthy, physically transformed, being in full of energy, full of positivity, full of alignment, full of success, full of joy. Now, while being in this absolute healthy state, now see that your family members are coming and greeting you, telling you how beautiful you are, telling you how much they love you. You have the best of relationship with your family members. You are smiling with them. You are laughing with them. You are absolutely happy. You are absolutely joyful. Even if the relationships are not really beautiful until this point, don't be worried. Focus on what you are experiencing. Focus that the relationships are full of joy, and particularly if you are having difficult relationship with anyone, maybe your partner or parents, you are smiling with them, you are laughing with them. It symbolizes this relationship is beautifully transformed. If you are manifesting your life partner, then you already have the partner in your life. You are full of love. Both of you are smiling, joyful, happy, and magical. What a beautiful life. You are telling yourself, I am in love, I am receiving love, I am giving love, I am living in blissful life. I am living a blissful life. I am living an abundant life. And at this point, walk around your house. You are living in a beautiful house, having all the good things. Whether it's your same house which have transformed, or you are living in a new house, which is your dream house, which symbolizes you have money, wealth, abundance in your life. You have all the beautiful things. You are living a beautiful life. You are absolutely abundant. You are living a luxurious life. Money, wealth, abundance is flowing into your life. You are feeling super happy, smiling, joyful. Now at this point, travel to your office. Imagine that you are entering into your office, whether you are a business owner or an employee, or whether you are manifesting a new job or a dream job. See that you are working in a new job or in your new office or in your business where you are already in that state where you have achieved that dream. You are successful. You are full of success. You are in that state where you have achieved your professional goal. You see yourself working in that state where success is all yours. You are meeting people around you. They are congratulating you. They are appreciating you. You are full of confidence, wearing your professional attire, being in that professional setup, being greeted by other people. Particularly see that your name is written with the position or the designation that you are manifesting. You are absolutely successful, being in this state, absolutely happy and aligned, loving this moment, whether you work from an office or your own office or home office, see that you are being appreciated by people, whether over phone or over in person or in email. You are achieving success. You are absolutely successful. You are absolutely successful. You are full of confidence. You are full of confidence. Success is all yours. You have achieved your dreams. You have achieved your dreams. You have achieved your dreams. Now see yourself. You are standing outside the office in your professional dress up, and you have opened your arms and you are standing like a superhero with absolute confidence, with joy, with a smile on your face, and telling the universe, thank you, thank you, thank you for making all my dreams a living reality. I am successful, I am healthy, I am fit, I am loved, I am abundant, I am rich. I am the one chosen by the universe to achieve my dreams. I am full of happiness, I am full of joy. See yourself successful in your work area. See yourself at home with all your family members, with new members. If you are manifesting new partner or members in your family, everyone is happy, everyone is aligned. You are successful at work. You are living in a harmonious home. You are perfectly healthy. You are rich and abundant. You are the divine creation of God, and you have achieved your dreams. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Inhale deeply. Absorb the energy and exhale slowly. Once again, inhale and exhale slowly. Once again, inhale, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. When you are ready, you can open your eyes. We are done with the visualization session. And let me know in the chat, how was your experience? How deep you felt? How you felt magical? How it was for you to see yourself in that state, being in the alignment,